Now I am going to dictate a legal passage based on Supreme Court judgment at the rate of 100 words per minute. Let's start. This is an appeal against judgment and decree dated February 21, 2003, passed by the learned district judge at Port Blair, District Andaman in matrimonial suit number 5 of 1998 stop para. By the impugned judgment and decree, the learned district judge decreed the suit filed by the husband, the respondent in this appeal, on contest but without any order as to costs, and granted the said plaintiff a decree for divorce under section 13 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955, and consequently the marriage between the parties stood dissolved. Para. Being aggrieved, the wife defendant has come up with this appeal before this court. This appeal was taken by for hearing in the circuit bench at Port Blair by consent of the parties. However, the records of the appeal have been transferred to Calcutta for disposal. Para. This case has a checkered history. The marriage between the parties was solemnized according to Hindu rites and customs at Port Blair, District Andaman on December 12, 1994. The couple was blessed with a male child. The child was born in the wedlock on January 3, 1996. Para. On April 11, 1997, the husband filed an application under Section 9 of the Hindu Marriage Act 1955 inter alia, praying for a decree for restitution of conjugal rights against the wife. The said application was registered as matrimonial suit number 6 of 1997 in the court of the learned district judge, District Andaman. Para. On August 1, 1998, the wife filed her written statement in the said matrimonial suit number 6 of 1997. It was alleged by the wife that on February 4, 1997, the husband attempted to kill her by strangulation. She, however, managed to escape from the cruel clutches of the husband and took shelter in the bedroom and locked the bedroom from inside. The key had to bear with such cruel torture by the husband as her parents went to mainland. They, however, came back to Port Blair on February 10, 1997. The wife reported the aforesaid incident to her parents on their return from mainland. Again on February 11, 1997, the husband and her parents abused the wife in most filthy languages and asked her to go out from the house. It was further alleged that the husband was shedding crocodile tears and wanted to take back the wife with the intention to kill her. The wife expressed her apprehension that the husband was having some illicit connections with some other woman elsewhere. It was stated further that the wife totally lost her faith and confidence in the husband, and as such she was not willing to stay with the husband unless he agreed to stay in her parents' house for some time or till the wife regained her total confidence in the husband. Para. On February 17, 1998, the husband filed an application expressing his intention not to proceed with the said matrimonial suit number 6 of 1997. The learned district judge on the said February 17, 1998 dismissed the said suit for non-prosecution but without any order as to costs. Stop. Thank you.